Hey, so this is the first video where I'm going to go through a specific part related to the technical use guide. So the first one is creating custom user dashboards. This is the one I set up for the SecDevOps team. I've already gone through that a little in the intro video. I'm just going to go through the logic behind each of them. So Azure DevOps comes with built-in GUI creation for this, and a lot of these are pre-configured already. So if you just go to the right and click Edit, you could do configure on each of these widgets. You can also add widgets here. There are a lot. I'll scroll through those quickly. So I'll just go through these one by one because these are the ones that I found were the most useful, and any that aren't in this dashboard right now that are in this list I didn't feel were relevant for at least this team's dashboard. So work assigned is assigned to me, one of the pre-configured ones. All you have is a width and height, so I won't go through those ones. Now these little ones here, just move me over here. Basically, I put these on the top right and in the top part of the view where you don't have to scroll because they're meant to alert you visually of the state of your project at the moment, current sprint. So basically you create these conditional formatting. It's similar to in a spreadsheet like Excel, and basically you set the limits to where you want to know when something's happening. So if there are only 3 work items or less, then I don't alert myself because I have it as green, and so on. That's the same for these. And then the thing I didn't show you in that previous little block widget is you have to select a query. So you want to, when you're creating a query, make it shared, which I'll show you later on. And then you select the output. So here it's tasks, this sprint. And the bugs one, it's outstanding bugs. My tasks is my tasks, the query. Okay, so the burn up is pretty straightforward. You just choose which work items you would like. Here I just have from the backlog, and then the area path you actually care about. Right now it's set to the team, so SecDevOps within the cybersecurity project. And you can also add some more settings here. I've just added a time period for roughly the duration of the semester. The rest of it's just basic graphing, and then you can get rid of the burn up if you want, get rid of the scope. Show remaining work I got rid of because I don't think that's the best thing to see throughout the semester, all the stuff you've got to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Now, task creation with templates. This widget here is actually just pure Markdown. So if you scroll down on the right and go Markdown, not embedded web page, that's a different tool which has more complex setup. So if you go to Markdown, all you do is configure it directly in here like I did because it was a fairly simple one, or you can select a file. And basically these are just links to templates. So it's not ideal, but in Azure DevOps, the only way to set up templates for tasks and actually use them easily is by going to their link. So when I click on that, it takes me to the link for the template, and it has stuff set up already. So this is for when you're creating a pipeline in the SecDevOps team, and it standardizes the task documentation process, just the little things. Anyway, if you scroll down, the pull requests to be reviewed, this is the data for this is what I worked on for a chunk of the semester, which was automating pull requests from GitHub to automatic task creation and assigning it to the relevant user. So this is actually quite simple on the front end. It's just choosing a query and then selecting which columns you want to show. And down the end, these are also just queries again. Same with that one. So that's really it. These are all the available widgets you can add. All of them probably unnecessary, but from my playing around with things, these are the most useful ones. That's it.